Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about what is stop loss order and what are the uses of it and why do we use stop loss order and everything. So I'll be talking about all these things in the video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. It will be helpful for you for the trading purpose. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get all the notification on my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things regarding stock market for that. So stay tuned for that. Okay. So in this video, as I said, we will be talking about what is stop loss and how to place the stop loss order and everything. Okay. And also if you're new to a stock market, if you're not making money constantly in the stock market, if you're having loss, if you want to recover the loss and want to make constant profit, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. You can see all the details in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. And also here you can say feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So many of the traders got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly. You can see all of the things with the proof here in my earning proof with the ledger proof, and also many of my clients on the 0 to 6 days challenge. Even that thing has been displayed here, so you can watch all of these things and see how my clients are making money constantly. And also one of my trader had made a constant profit for 5 months at bought his own new car. Even that message has been displayed here, so you can go inside the earning proof and go to the last of this page to find all the latest and recent earning proof with the ledgers. Okay, so you can watch all of these things and different. If you're interested to join us and to make profit constantly like this, you can definitely join us now. Okay, so and also here you can see the feedbacks from my clients after taking the course also. So these are all the feedback messages what I've got. So you can watch all of these messages, and if you're interested to join us and if you feel motivated and if you want to make money constantly in the stock market, you can message me on the number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and to learn and earn money constantly in stock market trading. So by being said that, now I'll be talking about what is stop loss order. Okay, so the stop loss in trading means this is a type of order which is limiting a trader's loss. Okay, so a stop loss is an order which will limit your loss. Okay, so by chance you have bought a stock at 100 rupees and the stock is suddenly coming down due to some any news or any effect, and the stock will go suddenly to 95, 94, and you don't know what to do at that time. So at that time what happens is, if you have placed a stop loss at 98 rupees, your stop loss will be triggered and your loss will be limited. Okay, so this is the example of stop loss trading. Now I'll be showing you a simple way, a good way of placing a stop loss in Zerodha. Okay, so that's a bracket order. So it will usually be like this in regular. So what you have to do is click on bracket order and click on SL, so it will be in limit usually. So many people, what they're thinking is, if they want to buy a stock at some certain price, they place limit price. That's wrong. So you should always place in stop loss order. That's when your order will get triggered at your wanted price only. For example, if the stock is trading at 98 rupees and you want to buy it at 100 rupees, then place a stop loss order and place the price and trigger price as 100. Okay, for example, so this is when your trade will get triggered at 100 only. So when you keep in limit, it will execute in market price itself. So many people has this problem, so please don't ever place it in your market in the limit order. So always place in SL, that is stop loss order. So that's when your order will get triggered at your wanted price only. So after placing that, you will enter the quantity and all the things, and here you have an option called a stop loss. So this is the main thing here. So let's say we're buying at 100, our stop loss is 1 rupees and the target is 2 rupees, for example. So this is how you place a stop loss. So that means if the stock goes to 99 rupees, your stop loss will be triggered. Okay, and you will be booking loss of 1 rupees, and if the stock goes to 102, you will be booking the profit of 2 rupees, profit of the quantity what you are taking. Okay, so that's how the stop loss works. Okay, so here whenever you're trading, place a stop loss. It's very important. I know a lot of times you have heard this stop loss is very important in intraday trading especially. So always use the stop loss. So always make sure you use minimum of 1:2 risk reward ratio. For example, if you're keeping a target of 2 rupees, keep a stop loss of 1 rupees. Some people, what they do is they keep a target of 3 rupees and the target of 1 rupees. That's very wrong. Your risk is very much and the reward is very less, so don't ever do that. So always do 1:2. For example, if your target is 6 rupees, keep the stop loss as 3 rupees like minimum you should do 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, that's when you get a good accuracy and the good profit. Okay, so this is a simple way of placing stop loss orders. So I just wanted to inform you this in this video, a basic knowledge. So hope this video is helpful for you. Okay, and also if you join my course, these are the things what you'll be able to learn. So once you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique strategies, no indicators required, good timing and discipline. I'll be teaching you just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day. You can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of 10,000 rupees. I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, our course price are less and reasonably priced. So these are the things what I'll be teaching you. You can join my course and I'll be teaching you how to make money constantly and everything with a good trading setup. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. Every day I upload a lot of videos, knowledgeable videos, educational videos, strategies, tricks, all these things are available. So go inside it and watch all of these things. It may be helpful for you, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.